Hi, I am GNANGSTUDIO 4D. Welcome, bro. I'm so happy to see you. Get ready. Today, I want to make the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus 8 months ago. Okay, bro, I'm so excited to do this. Get ready. Okay, where's my box, bro? Where's my box? Okay, don't worry. My box is here. Look at that. Amazing box, bro. This is so beautiful. Wow. As you can see, this is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus box. Bro, it's amazing. Look at what you can see under. Wow, it's amazing. Wow. This is Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and it's so beautiful. As you can see, this is the box, amazing box for you. As you can see, it's so wonderful, in front of me. Get ready for the unboxing. To make the unboxing is so easy to do this, you need to purge, okay, purge this just like that. Okay, as you can see, look at the size. Okay, amazing, purge. And you can do this too. Take this just like that. Okay, wonderful. What into? Ooh, look at me. Can you see me? Bro. It's great. Okay, after this you have the box and the sticker is here. And wonderful. You can see Samsung on this box. Samsung. Okay, great. And you have something here. Wonderful. Alright, you can do this. Oh, look at that. Look at what you can do. Open. Look at that. You can open this just like that. Open this just like that. Wow. And you have this into. This is Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus Pro. And you can take this. Get ready. Okay, be careful. Let me show you directly. Wonderful. Look at wonderful. You take this and into this beautiful box, bro, you have something special. Like, okay, let me open. Look at that. Open. You have this. Okay, this is for your SIMs, to unlock your SIMs, to remove your SIMs card, and look at into. You have also this. This is a quick start gate. Alright, and under the quick start gate you have also a case from Samsung. This case is from Samsung to protect your beautiful phone. Alright, now what I can do now, what I can do. Okay, do this, easy, wonderful, as you can see, wonderful. And you have so many languages here. This is in English. Okay, this is Arabic. Thank you. And another. Okay, thank you. Put this on this sachet quickly. Okay, let me show you just like that. What are you doing, bro? What are you doing? Okay. Wonderful. Alright. Wonderful. Okay, good. The case is not bad. Look at that. What is face, bro? Look at what is face. As you can see. This is your case, bro. This is a case. Wow. Okay. We continue. And when you open the box, look at what you see on this box. Look at what you see. Your beautiful phone is in front of you. Look at that. Look at that, bro. This is the screen. This is the screen. The screen is so nice. It's so very, very, very nice. What do you think about this? Wow. Let me show you quickly. Get ready. Okay, look at that. This is the box. And it's so nice. It's very good. Into you have your beautiful phone, bro. It's amazing. Okay, do this to take this. Wow. Okay, finish the unboxing before. Okay, get ready. Now, look at into this box. Wow, unbelievable. Now you can take this and you have into your beautiful USB-C and wow, this is nice. Okay, and you have also your beautiful charger. Okay, this is adaptive fast charging for you, bro. Amazing. All right, and into you have normally your beautiful headphone AKG, and this is for your beautiful headphone AKG. All right, put all of this into. Thank you. Close. I will continue. Where is my phone? My phone is here for you. As you can see, the screen is so beautiful. The screen is amazing. Very, very nice. I like it. And you can see volume up and volume down in front of you. This is the Bixby button. You have the power button here. And your beautiful SIMs here. You can see your USB-C port and your port jack here. This is nice. This is stereo speaker. We have speaker here and another speaker in front of you, just here. Two beautiful 12 megapixel camera. Is so fast and so powerful, bro. This is the flash and the cardiac captor. Okay, this is the unboxing after 8 months. What on this phone when you turn on? What on this phone? Let's see. Okay, power button. Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus in front of you. Wow, look at that. It's so amazing. Wow, this is what I like on this phone. Look at that. Wow, I like this, bro. Can you see this? Look at it again. Amazing. Wow, look at the screen. The screen is so beautiful. Beautiful. This is a Super AMOLED screen, bro. Wow, this is QHD screen. Look at that. This is what I'm talking about. The screen is so nice. Very, very, very nice. What do you think? I like it. Wow. Okay, let me put my password. You can put your fingerprint. Let me put my pattern and unlock this phone. amazing it's done. Yes, I like this, bro. This is unbelievable. It's so beautiful. It's so nice, and I like it. The screen of this phone is so amazing. Look at that. Wow. Fast, so fast. It's so fast. This beautiful processor. And there are also 6 GB of RAM into. The software is Android 9. Android 9 Pro. Android 9P. Click here and open. You have this. This is what I'm talking about. The application edge in front of you. So nice. I like it, bro. I like this. What do you think now? What do you think? The keyboard is so good. No problem with the keyboard. You can go on YouTube. This is the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Look at that. It's also amazing. Wow. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share on GNANGSTUDIO 4D. This is my YouTube channel. Get ready. I bought this phone 8 months ago. Now, I'm so happy because the screen of this phone is amazing. Wow. The battery life is not bad for me, but it's not the things that I expected. Wow. This is my second YouTube channel, GNANGSTUDIO. You can subscribe also if you want. And look at, I like it. This phone is amazing. Wonder. Wow. Beautiful. Okay, bro, as you can see, this phone is so amazing. It's unbelievable. Look at the end on. Okay, lock screen. Look at the end on. Great. Wow. Look at on my end. Wow. Camera is here. And look at now. This is the always on display. Wow, nice. Double click on this screen. Double click to obtain. Okay, last screen. And look at that, bro. Look at that. So nice. Great job. Good job. Wow. The screen, the head on. Let's test the speaker quickly. The speaker, go on music, because you can see music player. Let me put a song. Listen. Wow. Okay, listen. Not bad. Not bad, bro. Not bad. And let's test quickly the fingerprint scanner. Look at that. It's so quick. Wow. You can see boom, unlock. Wow. What? It's amazing.